Hi everyone, courtesy of Mr. TK, where he created a PDF file for us to check our Shopee store, are we making profit or not after deducting the transaction fee and shipping fee. But I noticed that some people still not quite familiar with the Excel software, and I will help him create a video which will be much more straightforward directly to see either your transaction is you're making a profit or are you making a loss. So his PDF file is much more detailed where you can check a lot of other stuff regarding the shipping charges, your voucher, everything, which is very great. This pivot table is also a great thing to do, but I think some of us wanted more straightforward data, right? So I will create this video just for this purpose, to see are you really making a profit or loss, because as a seller this is important for me. This video I will make it in English so that everyone can, I hope everyone can understand where is a majority language. Okay, so first of all, how you want to get your data? So you go to my orders first. So there is a lot of things that you have shipping, everything, right? You just go to completed, then select a range. I would suggest you could select a monthly range, so it's much more easier to quantify your data. So let's say we check April 1 to April 30, then we create export. So we just wait for the data report to load. Once it's ready, you just click on download, then prepare our income data, where we can just go to finance, my balance. It will prompt you to key in your password. Okay, so the same, you go to order income, then go to your data, from select the same range so that we can have a much more clear data, then click export. Okay, so here I have the data for April 1 to April 30. So just click on download. Okay, now let's open up the completed orders first. So first of all, we just enable editing. Okay, for this video, like I mentioned earlier, we just want crucial data. So therefore, the most crucial thing here, you can see a lot of things, literally everything regarding your orders. But for us, we just want to know what's the total order, what's the total price for that order. So we search for it. It's here. It's the grand total. Where are you? Where are you? Okay, here it is, the grand total. So anything before that is not important to us for this video lah, but for other times, yes, it's important. Just click delete it. There you delete all the other data too. But I will keep this order complete time, because later you will know. Then now after this, let's open up the payment Excel also. Okay, so this payment Excel, right, you just need to open it bigger first, so it's much more easier for all of us to see. Okay, just ignore this amount lah. I'm not making a lot of money here. This is just my passion. Okay, so when he talk about how do you, okay, so the order ID, right, is all jumbled up together, right? How to split it all up? It's actually very simple. You just highlight it all up, go to data, text to column. It's a fixed rate, you just click next. Then you just move it all the things to here, because we don't want a hashtag. Why we don't want a hashtag? Look back at the file. Let's finish this up first. Then it will split it out. Why we don't want the hashtag? Because from your first file, right, order ID also doesn't have the hashtag. We want to use a VLOOKUP, so it's much more easier for us to do it later. Okay, so once ready, right, you just need to copy up all this the order ID number, copy it up, and go back here. open a new sheet and just paste it up. Paste your order ID and the amount. The amount will be tally. The amount will be tally with your order ID because it's all tally by Shopee already, right? So you don't need to worry is the order ID correct or not. Sorry. So you just paste it up. Okay, then we go back to order. Then you will notice, because for my shop, right, I have various variation of items. For each order, people always buy different items. So you can see there's 3 same order ID, but their grand total is the same because it still is under the same order ID. So how do we solve this? We highlight all this item, highlight all your rows. You click remove duplicates. Also, it's at the data row there. You click remove duplicates. Then you click OK. Select all. You click OK. Then you will notice it will delete all the repetitive thing. You don't need to worry about it because, like I said before that, all either ID have the same grand total. That's why just now you can see so much data. We just really just wanted this grand total because we must know what do we want. We just want to know, are we making money at that order, right? Okay, so here we create Shopee Pay. Shopee Pay us how much. Then we use a VLOOKUP function. I understand it's quite complicated if you are not an Excel person. So you just click this insert function. Very easy. There you see VLOOKUP function. So just follow what you need. Okay, so what value do you want to look up for? We want to look up for the order ID, right? So just click it. Then which range we want to look at. So why I call it to copy into a next sheet is it's much more simple if you don't know how to code. So once you want to look at the range, right, you just click on here, then you highlight the range that you want. But remember to click F4. Click F4 so it becomes absolute. Absolute means that it will not move when you highlight down. So because it will save us a lot of time. Or you see here got the sign logo, your money logo. So it becomes absolute. So after you have this range, right, when they find the data, which column do you want to find? That's not that you see our this sheet, right? You got 2 columns, right? If you want it to find on the next column, so you click 2, column number 2. You want the column number 3, you just put 3. But for this purpose, that's why we only find 2 important data. That's why we only find for column 2. So range lookup, you see range lookup, is it a logical value? So you have true or false. True means it's not you are not finding you are finding for the first data, but we now want the exact match of what we are looking up for this data. So we create false. And click OK. So you see you want to confirm our data, right? WMT6H, right? You go back to your Shopee Pay. Go for this WMT6H. Okay, you see? 17.85. So it's correct. You see? Once this is all completed, right, you just pull it out. Then voila. You'll notice that there's this not available, right? Remember why just now I say you want to leave this order complete time? This is because although the transaction is done between April, right, but due to shipment issue or whatever reason, your buyer did not click completed before April 30. So it falls down in May 1. So your record is in. Your payment released by Shopee will be on May 1 or May 2 regarding this date. So a quick shout out to Mr. Tiki again for creating this wonderful PDF for all of us. If you need more information on how to creating pivot, you can just message him or just drop me a message and I would try to make a pivot example for you. Actually at my YouTube channel there is one 5-minute quick pivot one, but that's very basic compared to what Mr. Tiki require you all to do, but the terminology is the same. So I hope everyone will find this quite easy to understand. If you all still don't understand or need a translation, you can let me know or let Mr. Tiki know and I can translate for you. I can speak Chinese, English, Malay. Okay, Satu Malaysia. Good night and Selamat Hari Raya to all our Muslim friends.